Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to see if theories.fx.com is legit. Okay, they deleted my account. I cannot log in into my account. This is a big scam. Okay, you can also go to my YouTube channel to see. You can see this specific video. How to earn Theories cryptocurrency on theories.fx.com. Invest theories and earn more with cloud mining sites. You can also see this one. Okay, and they deleted my account. I tried to contact them on Telegram, but they did not give me a feedback. You can see I cannot log into my account again because they are not legit. Theories.fx.com is not legit. Do not invest on this website. Do not trust them. This is a big scam. Okay, I lost all my theories with them. Okay, this website is not legit. So thank you for watching.